Welcome back to Axel Learning. If you're new here, welcome. We provide free access to math techniques, shortcuts, and many more. In today's video, we will provide you an easy way in cubing any two-digit number. In this example, let's get 51 cubed. The first step is to calculate the square and cube values of the digits as shown. 51 cubed becomes 5 cubed, 5 squared times 1, 5 times 1 squared, and 1 cubed. 5 cubed is 125. 5 squared is 25 times 1 is 25. 5 times 1 squared, which is 5, and 1 cubed is 1. Step 2. Double the middle values. 25 and 5. 25 becomes 50 and 5 becomes 10. Step 3. Add all the values in each column. So 125 remains 125. 25 is added to 50, which becomes 75. 5 plus 10 is 15, and 1 remains 1. Step 4. Add the column totals as shown. It is important to remember that 1 is in units place, 5 in 15 is in tenths place, 1 in 15 is in hundredths place, 5 in 75 is in hundredths place, 7 in 75 is in thousandths place, 5 in 125 is in thousandths place, 2 in 125 is in 10,000ths place, and 1 in 125 is in 100,000ths place. So you add the numbers as shown below. And you get a total of 132,651. And the final answer to 51 cubed is 132,651. If you like this video, push the like button and subscribe for more math techniques.